Hello everyone, are you searching for spacious and well-connected 3 BHK rental flat in Mahadevapura, Bangalore? Well, this could be your perfect home. Stay with me as I take you on an exclusive tour of this beautiful flat, covering your rent and deposit details, ambience, nearby locations and more. Welcome to this elegant 3 BHK flat is just designed for comfort and modern living. This is our spacious bedroom with big windows for the great ventilation. In this flat, you have three spacious bedrooms, each with built-in wardrobes, larger windows, and attached modern bathrooms. So, this home offers both privacy and comfort. And this apartment is a part of well-maintained gated community that offer the top-notch ambience like swimming pool, gym, lift, children's play area, power backup, security, party hall, and parking for both two-wheeler and four-wheeler. And this is your beautiful modern kitchen, comes equipped with big storage, a sink counter and plenty of the ventilation. Just look at the space. Come just moving on to the bedroom. This is your one more bedroom with attached restroom. It's all neatly done and each and every bathrooms you have geysers and nearby locations. You are just minute away from the Phoenix Mall, Vio Mall, Bagmani Tech Park, Single Pada Metro Station, Keapuram Railway Station and top schools like Gopalan and colleges. This home ensures the perfect balance of peace and convenience. So, don't worry about this. Each and every bedrooms you have big windows for the great ventilation. Just look at the view. Overall flat you have very good ventilation. Okay guys, now let's talk about the most important part, the pricing. This 3 BHK flat is available for rent at just 48,000 plus 5k maintenance per month with a deposit of 2.5 lakhs. It's a ready to move flat available for both family and bachelors. This is your beautiful balcony. Just look at the view. It's just designed for comfort and modern living. If anyone interested in this flat, just contact this number or WhatsApp this number to schedule to visit before it's gone. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J Rental Properties for more such property updates. It's a 3 BHK flat available for both family and bachelors. It's a well ventilated flat. And trust me, this is a super budget friendly flat and deal like this don't last long. You don't find another like this. So hurry up before it's gone. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. See you again. Tata, bye.